arrived in Jakarta.
The reason why we're in Jakarta is because we are visiting the Komodo Islands, so we have to connect flights here. So we are staying one night in Jakarta because it was difficult to find the connecting flight to Labuan Bajo. This is the Anara hotel, which is next to Jakarta's Terminal 3 in the airport. As you can see, it offers a very nice modern bathroom. It has a king-size bed with plenty of pillows. Also, there is a safe. And then you got your desk, TV, and some coffee and tea. There's also a mini bar, but it's empty. And then I'll show you quickly the view of the room outside as well. So as you can see, we are just looking inside of Terminal 3. So yeah, it's very convenient, but it's not the most beautiful view. So we're just going down for breakfast now. I'll show you around the breakfast buffet of the Anara hotel as well. Most of the food here seems to be Indonesian food, so it's kind of spicy food and it's more like lunch instead of breakfast for me at least. So today we are flying to Labuan Bajo. For that we have to change terminals because actually we are now staying near Terminal 3. We'll have to change to, I believe, Terminal 2 because we are flying with Batik Air.
And here we are, finally landed in Komodo. A small tour around the airport. The airport is really small, but you can see they have this art kind of thing from the dragon. And let's hope our suitcases arrive, otherwise we have a small problem. And then we will head to the hotel.
From here to the... Where to stay? Ayana Hotel?
Ayana, yes.
Okay.
And we're greeted with a welcome drink while we are checking in.
We are staying in the Ayana Hotel Komodo. I'll give you a room tour as well. This is room 926 on the 9th floor. So here we have some storage, safe. They also provide slippers, laundry bag. I'm not sure what this is, I think it's a beach bag. There are also these kimonos with a note telling you basically you cannot wear them outside your room, so you cannot look too sexy outside of your room in these beautiful kimonos. And then here we have the bathroom. It's a very beautiful bathroom. It's very modern. Obviously there is these soaps. Plenty of towels. The usual save the environment note that you can find in any hotel. And then the toilet, which seems to be a Japanese toilet. As you can see, very nice big bathtub. And on the left, a shower. Again, usual complementary stuff, such as calming body wash, and then calming conditioner and calming shampoo. Everything you need for a calming stay, it seems. Beautiful king-size bed, some decorations, plenty of pillows, and then here we've got some water, a water cooker. Suppose this is the mini bar. Yeah, as usual, but it's empty. Then some really nice fish hanging on the wall. They gave us some green mandarins, I think this is, and this is the view. One of the great things about this hotel is that you can see the sunset every day, because all the rooms are facing the west side, so that's really great. That's it for today. Now we're gonna catch some sleep because we are very jet lagged.
So this is our second day in Ayana Komodo, and we decided to take it easy. We're just going to rest, swim. But there are quite a few fishes in the sea, and we found one sea star.
We did get a little bit bored by the evening, so we decided to book a sunset cruise to see thousands of fruit bats flying.
So we got these canapes as a compliment from the hotel. It's included in the tour.
So every evening these fruit bats, they fly from Kalong Island to the mainland to look for food, and then every morning they return again to Kalong Island to sleep. If you are visiting Komodo, I highly recommend to visit Kalong Island as well. It's absolutely stunning to see all these fruit bats flying. Thank you for watching today's video. On the next video we'll take you to the Komodo National Park to show you around the beautiful islands of the park and the Komodo dragon.